Right now I'm headed to Tiger Park. Just left the hotel, waiting for my driver to pull up. And yeah, head off to Tiger Park. See what that's saying. Gonna be a crazy one. Let's see how this goes. Just pulled up to Tiger Park. About to go inside. Let's see what the Tiger Park has in store for us. It's gonna be an eventful afternoon. So we got our tickets for a little safari run. We're gonna go meet a medium tiger after that. See some tigers over here. Amazing. Quite big still. Right now I'm trying to find the route to my safari. To go through the tiger safari. Let's see what it's saying. Got a little waiting area over there where I was. I'm just about to head off. So yeah, right. Sleep.
Huh? Oh, this one that is moving.
Oh, the woman?
Yeah, it's skinny. It's a big. Oh wow. Like a funny stuff.
The pool over here. Just cooling off.
I missed it.
You have to keep this one, keep this way, and then I see.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I didn't get that far.
Let me see that. This is some video. What's this big? This big lake.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a piece.
That's amazing.
Give it 1 minute. Wow, see that? That's big.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah. Wow. ร้อนนะสิ
Happening if they start, yeah, because they train them and stuff. But they start getting older and just don't want to remember. They forget stuff. What do? Just kill.
เขา
How do you?
อ๋อ this is burn this is down
Burn?
look like a like this
Do they have sex out here?
เขาได้ผสมพันธุ์อยู่กันที่นี่ไหมคะคุณไม่
He was just on that ramp over there. Just left the safari. About to go find the medium tiger and get the hell out of here. I am kinda dreading meeting this medium-sized tiger, but let's see how it goes. There's some more tigers over here just chilling, like a zoo type of style. There's a nice little orange one in the background. I don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, let's go. Definitely feels like a jungle type of vibe. Medium tiger.
Show me your ticket please นั่นแหละว่าจะทำอย่างนั้นแหละก็รอโบนัสออกแบบอยาก
It's safe. Not gonna be trouble.
Listen to me explain for safety inside you
Okay.
can touch only back
Only touch
front
the back,
don't touch
guys.
don't coat
Don't touch the
and
front.
walk with staff don't walk alone
Yeah.
your phone no flash
No flash. No. Video.
video picture is okay
Okay. Can they take? Let's meet this medium tiger. Let's see what he says. Hopefully he speaks my language. Thank you.
Welcome. Where you from?
London.
London.
Yeah.
London Derby, man.
The tiger's right
Come
here.
inside.
I'm okay.
You okay, man? Ma, give me.
I give you a
Em bốt lên.
See.
Super.
cameraman
One, two, three. Oh. Oh, open mouth. Super. You from London?
London.
You like football?
I like football.
What you support?
Manchester United.
Okay.
But before we are great.
Yeah, very shit. I am London and I am support Chelsea.
Big shout out to this brother. You know, he's very good guy. Him and the cameraman.
Yeah.
Take care of me, protect me from tiger.
Yeah.
You know.
Bye. That's one.
One more ticket.
Sùng sai.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Habab.
But she grumpy a little bit.
I see.
When she grow, you know, no be afraid.
You wanna support Chelsea ไหม Roaring.
Maybe when I 70, we will come back to champion again. Yeah. My opinion maybe.
Around 30 years.
When now. Come on, man.
No, I'm about to run.
Run.
Go away. They just smile. Bye bye. อุ้ยสัตว์เหี้ย
นี่ก็เล่นไปมันก็ดูออก
ตก
I
ใจ
trust you. I need to come out of here ASAP.
นี่มันไม่
I need to come out of here ASAP. Thank you guys. Thank you. Go back up.
หลอนเลยจ้ะ
Oh my days. Thank you. Go back up. Take care, Tigers.
Yeah.
Thank you to the team. Thank you to everybody.
บ๊ายบาย
ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you.
จริงๆครับผม
Wow. I was definitely dreading meeting those tigers. Especially when one of them started to get a bit wild. I was like, yeah, get me out of there. I didn't have my tools or weapons or nothing to defend myself against that massive tiger. But it is what it is. Now we're just walking around, checking out all the different scenery in a tiger park. I've got a hell of tigers in here. See what these lots are. This one looks crazy, bro. This one looks crazy. This one looks like it's about to attack me. Fully caged up, yeah, okay. Hello, time. Hello, time. Hello. You guys good? These ones are not for the friends. These are the friendly ones, should I say. Anytime you see that movement, you already know what it is. Triple cage up. Just making sure. Just making sure. One sleeping here. Some living over there. So I've come all the way around to the end. For some reason my heart stopped. I just remembered I'm in a tiger park. Can't be caught slipping, but for some reason there's a bench there. It's like a random bench and a parrot and a random bench. Who's gonna be chilling here? But that little back bit got me paro. Just in case a little tiger, not even a little tiger, like a big tiger, sneaks through there. Guess they know what they're doing. Make sure you check out the tiger park. It's definitely been fun. Anyone know what this is called? Centipede, maybe? Centipede. This tiger here, he's definitely on something. He's on some mazzoline. Definitely on some mazzoline. See the way man's coming towards me? Stay back. Even that one there. Tigers don't. When you look at tiger in the eyes, it's one of the most scariest things I've ever experienced. Because their eyes are like proper yellow and they just stare at you and it's like proper bright in person. But beautiful, remarkable creatures. Shows you how beautiful nature is. Wow. I'm just stepping back. Hello. It's very friendly. Yeah. I think he wants to spray. It does say here, tiger may spray. You know what I mean? But that one was very friendly compared to that one. This one was not as intimidating. Just the way they move, very dominant and intimidating. Definitely like catches your attention. Any little movement they do. You feel me? Looks like this one had a fight. It's got like a little mark on its ear. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm not even looking to let them play no more. Saying it's home time soon. Home time. See their claws. Their claws will just slash off your leg. Each claw is a shank basically. This one's very nice. I like this one. Whoa. Yeah, I knew. I had a feeling he's gonna spray it. I know you was too friendly. These are the ones I was taking photos with. Very nice. Electrical currents just zapped me. Didn't even know he had electrical currents. one looks like a young one. It looks like he's trying to formulate a plan to come out of here. It's another unique color. Hello. Interesting. Whoa. Those two like, I think they're brothers. Maybe they seem to like each other a lot. Hello there. Hello.